So first, what's happening? Oh. So you go see consolidation. Market dey consolidate from an uptrend, e dey consolidate. So get to this level, market was consolidating from an uptrend. See what happen. We get we get a sweep here and then e push. Why is it a sweep? Because you can obviously see the price extension. Price didn't gradually come down, e just extended so fast to come and take this low before going. And our demand level is obviously up to this place like this. So this is a sweep and then it broke this structure, which it didn't clearly break it. It just broke it with weeks. But then we are still in an uptrend, just that at this level it's consolidating, right? So this is how I trade, and I believe this is how most people trade. So you pick out your initial resistance level. Okay, your initial resistance level, which is this. Um, we have this level here, and we have this level too here. There's more to this strategy than just this, so I'm just doing this because of the video. Then we have this level too here, like this. So you mark out the lines straight, and these are the lines that you'll be using. Like these are the lines, these lines that I've drawn is the lines you'll be using to pick your point of interest, right? So there are many opportunities here. I didn't just get them. So we have, you can see a bearish move from here after this break. After this break of structure, you can see a bearish move. And don't forget, the break of structure is just with wicks, so it's not really a strong break of structure. So this bearish move tells us that market is coming to um a demand level. Let's find demand levels in this leg. So we have this one here. Yeah, it's one thing to get demand level and it's another thing to get a very good demand level, like a valid demand level, because there are many demand levels here, right? So from this you can see that market might reverse from here, and what happened? It did a reverse from here. Let's say you take the trade from here, you can make profit. Obviously, yes. This more than 1 to 3, right? So I want my trade, I take 1 to 3. I only take 1 to 5 if it permits. So this is another demand level, and obviously it worked. Let's say you take your trade here, from here, like this. Your stop loss just below here, and then take profits here. If you are taking profit here, it worked oh. More than 1 to 3, you can see. So all demand levels here work, but it will not always work like that, right? So sometimes you have to seek out valid zones. Then now let's go. This line, you must have a reason for entering a trade. If you are entering a trade from here, what's your reason? If you're entering a trade from here, what's your reason? So that's what we discuss in this video, and I'll be telling you the reason for taking this trade right here. So let's continue. We have a bearish move to the downside. Now we are bearish, but you can see we have a demand level here and another one here, another one here. So I obviously, if I'm taking any trade from here, I will be very skeptical. If I'm taking any trade from here, I'll be very skeptical. So I will need another reason. I will need another confluence to permit me take trade, right? So for this, we have the bearish move. Then come to this place, we see a change of character in this bearish leg. You can see this change of character here, and it didn't just happen with wick, it broke with full candle, closed above it, right? So keep in mind though, this line we draw, we use it. So after the change of character, we see the demand level that caused the change. This other block, let me mark it again. This level here caused the change of character, and we have another block there, right? So we expect price to come do something like this, like this, tap into our other block and then go up, right? But then we still need a reason, right? Don't forget we still have other demand levels here that price still might want to fill. But then one good confluence is this change of character. So we expect price to react from this other block. So once it react, it's not a good reason enough for me to enter. What's another reason? Let's scale down to small time frame. Now we have this. You can see price came down, tap into the block, and then went into this our line here. This our line that I drew from the higher time frame, right? Price enter into it. It didn't react against it. It react with it and enter into it. Then came down again, retest some level and went full into the line. So we have another line here, another resistance line from our higher time frame. I don't know if you get. So what happened is this. This level is a resistance level, right? So I'll wait for price. This is how I trade. One day I'll make a good video on it. I'll wait for price to retest every point of interest that is below this line. Once e retest and then go back into the line, I'll now start looking for entry. So we have another block that is below the line, which is this one. Price retested it. Then we have this one again. We have this level again. Price came down, retested it. Then we see a very bullish move to the upside, which broke this level and then gave us another block here. If you go down to the 15 minute, you'll see another block here. And I think if you go down to the 15 minute, you'll see another place of interest. That's why I didn't take the trade here. So when he gave us this rapid move to the upside, now it's confirmed that this level, this line is a strong line. You get, it has now broke the resistance level. Now it's using it as support, right? So after this other block, we now start seeing retracement. We now start seeing retracement to the downside to where we must know where price is going and where price will end. So price retrace to this other block, which is where I took my trade on this line, right? I took the trade on this line to on this I should actually take the trade on this line, but I took it on the other block. Then my stop loss was here, this last candle here, like this. So this is why I took the trade, because of this other block on my support line, right? So we got this is where my initial take profit was 1 to 3.3, but I later took profit here like this level here. So 1 to 3. Yeah, perfect. So this is the thought behind this trade, and it's the same process. Let me go to BTC. I explain why I took that BTC buy. I saw many people taking loss on this BTC. I was just smiling. Wow, I was smiling because mine was like a miracle. So our support or resistance level, our initial support or resistance level, mark it out and then we get a break. So this place is a level that price will react from. You get, and what happened? Price came down to the level and react from it. This thing, but I don't know why I figured this thing recently, but this thing is very simple, very, very, very simple. See, this is a resistance line. It happens, it respects it very well when you are using the higher time frame. So this is a resistance or support line and price broke it. What do you expect? You expect price to react from it in the next movement. And what happened? Exactly what happened. You react from it. As simple as that. So, but when it was here, I didn't know all these things, right? So, price retrace, and you should still expect reaction from this place. And what happened? It reacted up to this line here, up to this resistance level before coming down again. So this should give you a good profit. So where is our support level? We have this here. We have another one here. So all of them are valid. You can't say this one is invalid, this one is all of them are valid support level, because price will definitely react from them. This is the higher time frame. Price will definitely react from them. So when price came to that level, I'm expecting a bullish move from it. So when it came to the level, my resistance line is below, so I won't bother taking here, as it's a point of interest, but I won't use it that much. Why? Because the resistance line is way below it, right? So I wait for price to come below it before looking for point of interest in a smaller time frame. So once price came to this level, I begin to see a bullish move. Let me go down. I think I took my point of interest and everything in 5 minutes, right? Abi 15 minutes. Yeah, I think 15 minutes. So you can see there was a reaction from this line. Once it reacted from this line, it now gave another block that should be retested. So you can see this one here, but I didn't make this price here. I didn't make this price here. I came when it was around here like this. So it retested this other block and violated, and then create another other block here again. So what should we expect? We should expect an entry. I will obviously take my entry on this other block. So I want price to do something like this, sweep this level, tap into this other block, then move. And as you can see, we have, I drew this, let me clean this. There are mini support and resistance level, mini ones. I use them few of the times. So, okay, I drew this level expecting price to break it, so I'll confirm my bias. So yeah, so once it create this other block and I saw a liquidity pool at this level like this, here like this. So I'm expecting price to sweep here and tap into this other block before moving forward, right? So, and again, don't forget I have this resistance level expecting price to break to confirm my bias. So once price broke it, this other block, I took this other block as a very strong level because of this break here, right? So price retested and tapped into my entry, it triggered my entry and then went into crazy drawdown. My stop loss was just below here. I don't know why I put my stop loss here. My stop loss originally should be here like this, right? So that's why I was laughing. I was like, mine was just luck. But then the logic still plays out. My stop loss is just below here like this. So price came down, tap into, trigger my entry, and then went crazily up. So when it broke this level, I confirmed my bias. When it broke this level like this, I was very, very not skeptical about the trade. I just left the trade. In fact, I came when it was breaking this place. So I now left it. It was in my prop account that I took this trade. So I left it, and when it came down to this place, you can see there was another. It gave crazy point of entries like that one can take trade from, right? But I'm not good at taking trades while on trade, so I just left it. Broke, broke, broke. My initial take profit was this level here, like this here. But then I was because of other levels, because of some reasons, I wasn't really okay with it. So I just say let me just take profit here. Then if price violate this other block here, once price violate this other block, I will look for other entries. I think I'm okay with that. But for now, you can obviously see order flow. Order flow is a very strong bearish order flow. I'm seeing crazy, crazy point of interest that can take market to the downside. So for now, I just drop my profit. I think it's 1 to 5 also. I took profit, I think somewhere here, 1 to 5. Right. So I'm still looking at the trade sha. I'm still expecting a bearish move. Once it violate this other block, then this one again violate this other block again, I think I will be looking for entries. But then this is just the thought behind this entry right here, behind the two trades. These are my thought behind the two trades. I'll find time and talk about this support and resistance line. For now, is then VIX 75 1S. I trade volatility too. So VIX 75 1S. Later I'll explain it. I'll give a good explanation to it because this is not just what I was waiting for. This is a counter trade. It's a very bad trade, but it played out. But yeah, I know how to navigate my ways. Yeah, I think that's all for today.